I'm going to show you how to make an easy 6-ingredient salad dressing. I actually have salad every day for lunch, and this is my go-to dressing. Only 6 ingredients and all our staples at home. Some lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, some crushed chili flakes for a bit of heat, garlic powder, black pepper, and of course, salt. I like to make sure each workday's salad dressing is prepared in advance, so we're going to do it all at once. Let's start off with about half a teaspoon of salt, followed by some black pepper, also about half a teaspoon, a nice tablespoon of garlic powder. I love this stuff. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes. The longer you leave these to marinate, the spicier they become. Now add in a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, and finally about 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Get your covers back on and give them a good shake. Perfect. Now we're going to get these in the fridge and take them out as needed. The longer they are in there, the better the flavor becomes. And that's really it, guys. 6 basic staple ingredients that you have in your pantry to make the best salad dressing ever. Now all there's left to do is make your salad, pour it on top, shake it up, and enjoy. Are you liking Impossibly Kosher videos? Go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, keep up with things that we have going on. You won't regret it.